Welcome to 2015 Annual Conference Mobile App Schedule Build Tutorial. My name is Bill Kuhn. I am with InSight's HQ, and I'm joined by
Trisha Thomas, also with InSight Headquarters.
And this entire video is based on the schedule building feature within this year's conference app. And with that being said, the way you can download the conference app is through both Google Play and through iTunes App Store. It's available on both of those operating systems, both Android and iOS. And you can find the app by searching in either store, InSight User Group. Now, moving on. This year's app is actually built into the year-round app for InSight. Now, InSight's year-round app has been out for a couple months now. Hundreds upon hundreds of our members have been utilizing it. It's a very nifty app. And on the home screen of the app, it has an events tab. And that is how you're going to get to this year's annual conference app. So you click the events tab, and it will open up this screen for you. And you'll have two options. The first one, of course, is InSight 2015 Annual Conference. When you select that, you'll get a little prompt here that says, are you sure you wish to open this event? And of course, you are, because you're at the event and you want to do this. So you hit yes, and it takes you right here to the whole brand new homepage for the app itself for the conference. And you're going to have a bunch of buttons here, but we're going to be discussing the first button, the Schedule tab. So when you open that up, you're going to have three options to filter all of your sessions that you want to partake in. They are very intricate, and I'm actually going to pass the mic over to Trisha in a little bit. But as far as this app goes, when you click one of these buttons here, which is actually the schedule listing, you will be brought to a page, and this page will have the same type of layout for every single session. The top portion, it will list the session name, and then it will give you two tabs there, both info and speakers. Default is info tab. Now this info tab will provide you with all of the information that you need to know to make up your mind whether or not you want to attend that particular session based on the products that we'll be discussing, the subcategories, as well as a basic general description of the session itself. Then you'll see there on the bottom of the screen, there are four additional tabs, and each one will allow you to do something different. This first one in the bottom left here is something you should know if you're a typical user of a mobile phone. That is the share feature. On an iPhone, it will look like this. It will allow you to share it via text, email, tell your fellow conference attendees places where you're going to be, places where you want them to join you at. And of course, Twitter and Facebook, we're always promoting that. And we highly recommend that you post it on your social media platforms as well with hashtag InsightConference15 to make sure everyone at the conference knows what you're attending. The next one is the third one over, actually. It is a little piece of paper with a pencil. And when you click that, it will give you this blank space. And this allows you to sit in the session, actually type all your session notes in your phone. Therefore, you don't have to worry about the piece of paper and pen. You can just go right in there, type it all in, and you'll have it for you on the flight or ride home. The fourth one on the bottom there is a little chat box. If you click that, for every single session, it will open up an evaluation, a session feedback form. It's 5 quick questions. We ask that everybody after their sessions goes on there, fills it out. It really helps us because every year we do these annual conferences year-round. We do webinars for our members, and we want to hear what you guys think about it. So if there's a session that you really like, a speaker who gets really good ratings, you can bet we're going to bring them back to keep giving you more and more content that you want and deserve. Finally, this last tab here is the second one in, and it is the little calendar with a plus sign on it. Now, what that allows you to do is to actually add this to your agenda, which we will show you towards the very end of this quick video. And when you click that button, you'll know you added it because you'll get a little prompt here. It says session added to your agenda. And on top of that, the little button will change to orange. So if you decide to go back later on and take it out to add a different session, you just go back, hit that button, and it will delete it for you. Now I'll pass the mic over to Trisha, talk to you more about some of our features. But before I do that, the speakers tab is another button right here. And on every single one of the sessions, you can click the speakers tab, and it will tell you who's speaking. You can read their quick profile, whatever we have loaded in there for that particular session. Now, I will actually hand the mic over to Trisha and let her talk to you about the other filtering options.
So as Bill mentioned, we have over 150 sessions, and in order to really help you find the sessions that relate to you most, we built in these other filters. So to start, you can filter sessions by day. You'll see at the bottom ribbon of your phone, The days of the conference are laid out for you. When you select a day, the day will then turn blue and all the sessions will filter in for you. The second filter, you see this magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner. When you select that glass, you will be brought to a number of additional tags that will help you narrow your search. Select from any of these tags, and again, the filter will provide you with the sessions that fall within the tags. A special call out to the CE credits for those attending the conference and wishing to get continuing education credits. This is an easy way for you to see what sessions are eligible for the different CE levels. Finally, we have a keyword search. In this keyword, it's a free form search, so you can type in any words that you want and you feel are necessary. When you search keywords, it will search the descriptions of the sessions and again, give you a full list of sessions based off of that keyword. The final filter is this primary track. When you select that primary track, you will see the different themes of our conference. All sessions are categorized into at least one of these themes, we'll call them. From there, again, you can filter by day. So depending on your preference, we've given you 3 different ways to search for your sessions and add them to your agenda. To see that final agenda that you've built, return to the home page of your mobile app and select My Event. You see the arrow pointing to the icon there. That will pull up another list of different event options. But again, My Agenda is at the very top. When you select My Agenda, a nice calendar will pop up for you, and you can take a look and scroll through the different days and see what sessions you've assigned to your calendar.
So with that being said, that is the entire tutorial on how to build your schedule, how to make this the event that you want to attend, all customizable for your particular experience and focus. If you have any questions, please, by all means, send us an email at insight@insightsusergroup.org, and we'll get back to you. Thank you for attending our conference this year, and we hope you have a great time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.